Good morning, students. Today we will start our first chapter, that is the sources of food. Dear students, we know that energy is required for any machine or engine to work. Car gets the energy from burning of petrol or a diesel. In such a way, electrical trains use electrical energy to run. Similarly, living things also need energy to grow and perform various activities. But question arises that you require to perform all these activities means what you require to perform all these activities. We require energy to perform various kinds of activities like playing, dancing, studying, etc. All the living things get energy from the food they eat. So, food is a fuel for our body. Let's see some important functions of food. Food provides us energy for doing all the life activities such as breathing, working, playing, talking, sleeping, studying, etc. It also provides us the nutrients for the growth of our body. Food provides protection from the diseases to keep us fit and healthy. Food repairs body cells and tissues. Now, students, tell me, do you eat same kinds of food daily? No. We eat different kinds of food like rice, chapati, puri, dhokla, upma, idli, etc. All these food items are nothing but the different varieties of food. All food items are made up of different raw materials. The raw materials needed to prepare food items are called ingredients. Now, what are ingredients? The raw materials needed to prepare food items are called ingredients. Let's see one example. To cook the rice at home, we take raw rice or boil them in water. Thus, rice and water are the two main ingredients of boiled rice. Similarly, some food items are made with many ingredients also. See this table. This table consisting of various kinds of food items prepared with various ingredients. Now, our next point is sources of food. Rasagulla, lassi, chole bhature, roti, dal makhani, dosa, idli, kachori, aloo puri, poha, all these are famous dishes of our India. Have you thought that where do the ingredients of the various dishes come from? Some of the ingredients obtained from the plants and some of the ingredients obtained from the animals. So there are two sources of food. First is plant and the second one is animals. Let's see plants as a source of food. Plants are the major source of our food. Green plants are called producers because they can produce their own food. But animals and the human beings are called consumers because they directly and indirectly depend on the plants. We get the major part of our food from green plants. We get grains, cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, oil, sugar from the plants. Now, cereals. Cereals are these sources of carbohydrate. Examples are wheat, rice, maize, jowar, etc. Next is pulses. Pulses are this source of protein. Examples are gram, green gram, peas, lentils, etc. Next is sprouts. Sprouts make our food nutritious. They are the rich source of proteins and vitamin B complex. Next is vegetables. Vegetables are eaten raw or in a cooked form. They are rich sources of minerals and vitamins. Students, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, roots, and stem are the various parts of plants which are consumed by us in a different forms. So, they are called as edible parts. Let's see some examples of the various parts of plant we eat. First is leaves as a spinach and cabbage etc. Second is roots as beetroot, radish, carrot etc. Third is stem as potato, ginger etc. Fourth, flower is cauliflower and cabbage etc. Fifth is fruits as mango, apple and grapes etc. Now, animal products as a source of food. Animal products such as meat, egg, fish, milk, cheese, butter, curd, honey, etc. are eaten as a food. These food are rich in proteins. Now, our next topic is food habits. Depending upon the food habits, animals are classified as first one is herbivores, second one is carnivores, third one is omnivores. First is herbivores. The animals that eat only the plant and plant products. Examples are cows, goat, rabbit, deer, etc. Second is carnivores. The animals that eat only the flesh of other animals. Examples are lion, tigers and eagles. Third is omnivores. Animals that eat both plant products and flesh of the other animals. Examples humans, bears, crow, rat, etc. Fourth is scavenger. Jackals, vulture, hyenas are eat the bodies of animals which are dead. Fifth is decomposers. Fungi, bacteria feed on the dead animals and plants. Thank you and have a nice day.